Bin bag, more specifically known as a molar bin bag because of its shape like a molar tooth, is an indispensable item in jungle safari. It is portable, easy to carry, economical and very convenient to use. And it provides a very stable support to your lens, giving you a sharp and stable image as well as a video. You already might be using it, but if you want to know how to use it very properly, then stick to this video. So let us first discuss what should be filled in. Anything which is reasonably having a weight like a rice, wheat or any beans. Do not fill it with very heavy material like sand, because then it will be very difficult for you to lift it and shift it from one place to another in case you need it. And at the same time, do not fill it with very light material like plastic balls or any light-weighted material, because it has to have some weight. It has to be stable itself in order to stabilize your lens. The second question is how much you should fill it. Around 85% to 90% of its capacity, or maybe 80%. That would be better, because it requires some space for your lens to sink in. If you fill it 100%, the effect will be as if you are using a solid brick. Don't do that. So always fill slightly less than what is its capacity. It is like eat less than your appetite demands. It keeps you more flexible and fit. The third question to be considered is how to place your bin bag. Obviously, placing it this way with your lens totally supported by the bin bag will give you more stable footage. But if you are using it this way, then it will be very difficult for you, or sometimes impossible, to zoom in, zoom out or adjust the focus in case you are using, or if you wish to use a manual focus. So another way to keep it is this way, with your tripod collar resting on the bin bag. This way you will be able to easily focus, at the same time zoom in and zoom out. I personally use it this way because it enables me to use a manual focus in case I wish. For additional stability, whenever you are using a bin bag, rest your left hand and slightly press it down. It will give much more stability to your image. And what are the other ways to use molar bin bag? If you are using it on a flat surface, then keep it inverted with legs pointing towards sky, or you can keep simply on its side. So that was about a bin bag. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. But wait. If you are feeling sleepy, you can use your bin bag as a pillow or just to support your buttocks. Keep exploring.